Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Instagram on your PC or laptop, and it really does matter if you have Windows or Mac. Basically it will work for all computers, and the best part of it, we'll have it all the mobile features but on our basically PC. So the only requirement that you need to have is basically a need to have Google Chrome. For this way right, and once you have Google Chrome, the next step what you need to do here is to go on Chrome Web Store and then press on the first baby link, that is chrome.google.com. And then on the left side, on the left top side, is search the Tor and then your write web for Instagram. Alright, and once you write this, then probably it will be the first option, but I tread this one well for Instagram with direct messages, and it's offered by instagramapp.com. Press on that, add to Chrome, and then press add extension. You need to wait for a few seconds here until you see this window welcome you for installing our Chrome extension, and then press on this little puzzle that is on the top right, and then select Web for Instagram with direct, and you will see this window. And then what you need to do here, I singing logged in, but simply you need to put your login information, ID and password, and as you can see here it's a normal Instagram. You can scroll on here, the basically feed you message people, you can post and do basically all the things that you can do on Instagram app now. Alright guys, that's much merit. If help you out, please like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye. Now follow me on my Instagram Sabneet Yadav, and then check out the YouTube like available on Instagram page. Now subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.